South Park has unleashed a scathing satire of Meghan Markle's much-anticipated cooking show, leaving the Duchess of Sussex seething with indignation. This comedic roast not only pokes fun at Markle's culinary skills but also addresses a broader narrative surrounding her public persona, raising questions about her authenticity and the motivations behind her ventures. The episode, laden with biting humor and sharp critiques, has sparked a fierce debate about the intersection of celebrity culture and the entertainment industry, positioning Markle in the crosshairs of public scrutiny once again. South Park seized this opportunity, portraying Markle as a caricature of herself, out of touch, overly polished, and desperately seeking approval. The episode featured a hilarious montage of Markle's supposed cooking mishaps, juxtaposed with her lavish lifestyle, highlighting the stark contrast between her royal past and her current attempts at relatability. The comedic roast delved deep into the cultural implications of Markle's project. Viewers were subjected to a series of exaggerated scenarios where Markle attempted to connect with everyday people through cooking, only to fail spectacularly. South Park's creators cleverly exposed the absurdity of her efforts, questioning whether Markle truly understands the struggles of the average person. Critics argue that her high-profile lifestyle disqualifies her from authentically engaging with her audience, a sentiment humorously echoed by South Park's sharp wit. Furthermore, the episode did not shy away from addressing the relentless media scrutiny that Markle faces. It cleverly depicted her as a figure constantly battling public opinion, caught in a whirlwind of headlines that often paint her in a negative light. Some may argue that South Park's roast is a reflection of the media's insatiable appetite for controversy surrounding Markle, yet the show's creators implore viewers to question whether she deserves the sympathy often afforded to her. By portraying her as a figure who thrives on drama, South Park challenges the audience to reconsider their perceptions of her narrative. The backlash against Markle's cooking show has been swift and unforgiving, with many commentators questioning the sincerity of her intentions. Some view her foray into cooking as a desperate attempt to remain relevant in an ever-changing media landscape. By aligning herself with a seemingly wholesome endeavor, Markle risks alienating those who have followed her journey, many of whom are weary of her repeated attempts to reclaim a narrative that seems increasingly contrived. South Park's roast serves as a reminder that humor can often reveal deeper truths about public figures and their motivations. As the episode aired, social media erupted with mixed reactions. Supporters of Markle lamented the harsh treatment she received, arguing that the satire misses the mark and perpetuates a culture of bullying. However, critics found solace in the show's ability to hold powerful figures accountable, regardless of their royal status. The juxtaposition of public sympathy for Markle against the backdrop of South Park's relentless humor raises important questions about the nature of celebrity culture.